Is your patio missing that perfect blend of modern style and rustic charm? In this video, we'll share 5 ideas to create a modern rustic patio that's both stylish and inviting. Welcome to Visionary Designs. If you love unique, beautiful spaces, hit subscribe for more design inspiration. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by discussing a key element of the modern rustic aesthetic: the use of natural materials. If your patio feels cold or sterile, introducing organic textures can instantly warm up the space while still maintaining a modern edge. Start with the basics. Your flooring. Consider using natural stone, reclaimed wood, or even concrete with a textured finish. These materials bring a grounded, earthy feel to your patio, creating a solid foundation that's both stylish and durable. Next, think about incorporating modern furniture with rustic elements. For example, a sleek metal frame table with a wooden top, or contemporary chairs made from woven rattan. These combinations balance the clean lines of modern design with the inviting warmth of rustic materials. To pull it all together, add in some accessories like textured throw pillows, woven rugs, or natural fiber blankets. These small touches can soften the look, making your patio feel cozy yet contemporary. Now, let's move on to creating a focal point that epitomizes the modern rustic vibe: a cozy fire feature. If your patio feels like it's missing a central gathering spot, a fire pit or outdoor fireplace might be just what you need. Start with a fire pit that combines natural materials like stone or brick with a modern design. This can serve as the perfect spot for evening relaxation or entertaining guests. If space allows, consider an outdoor fireplace for a more dramatic statement. To enhance the rustic charm, arrange seating around the fire feature with comfortable, durable cushions. Think Adirondack chairs, wooden benches, or metal seating with plush cushions. This setup not only makes the space functional, but also adds to the warm, inviting atmosphere. By adding a fire feature, you create a central hub that encourages gathering and connection, key elements of the rustic style, all while keeping the design modern and fresh. Building on the idea of creating a cozy atmosphere, let's talk about lighting. If your patio feels too stark or overly bright, incorporating rustic lighting can transform it into a warm and welcoming retreat. Start with string lights, a staple of rustic design. Drape them across your patio, or weave them through a pergola to create a soft, ambient glow. Opt for Edison-style bulbs to enhance the vintage feel. Consider adding lantern-style sconces or hanging fixtures. These pieces bring a touch of old-world charm, while their sleek, industrial design keeps the look modern. Place them strategically around seating areas or along pathways to guide the eye and set the mood. Don't forget about candles. Place them in glass hurricanes or rustic holders for an intimate, flickering light. This simple addition can make your patio feel more inviting and serene, perfect for unwinding after a long day. With the right lighting, your patio can transition seamlessly from day to night, offering a cozy ambiance that's both functional and stylish. Ever feel like your patio could use a bit more life? If it's feeling bare or lacking vibrancy, adding rustic planters and greenery might be the perfect solution. Start with oversized wooden planters, galvanized metal buckets, or ceramic pots with a weathered finish. These containers add texture and depth while maintaining that rustic charm. Position them at various heights to create visual interest and a sense of layering. Fill your planters with a mix of lush greenery and flowering plants. Consider hardy perennials, ornamental grasses, or even small shrubs that thrive in outdoor settings. The natural greenery softens the space and adds a touch of wild, organic beauty. For a modern twist, mix in some contemporary plant stands or hanging planters. These can add height and dimension, making the space feel more dynamic and engaging. By incorporating greenery in rustic planters, you breathe life into your patio, creating a serene, nature-inspired environment that feels both fresh and timeless. Now, imagine this. As you step onto your patio, you're greeted by the striking silhouette of a rustic pergola overhead. It's the perfect blend of modern design and rustic charm, offering both form and function. A pergola made of natural wood beams, slightly weathered to enhance the rustic feel, provides structure to your outdoor space. The clean lines of the design add a modern edge, while the wood brings warmth and character. Enhance the pergola with climbing plants like ivy or wisteria to add a touch of softness and color. As these plants grow and intertwine with the beams, they create a living canopy that offers both shade and beauty. To complete the look, hang rustic lanterns or string lights from the pergola, casting a gentle glow over your seating area. This combination not only defines the space, but also creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere perfect for any occasion. By integrating a rustic pergola, you elevate your patio design, making it a true extension of your home where modern elegance meets rustic charm. Which idea caught your eye? Whether it's the cozy fire feature or the rustic pergola, these tips can transform your patio into a stylish retreat. Share your favorite idea in the comments. We'd love to see how you bring it to life. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more. Make your patio a true reflection of your style. See you in the next video.